so beautiful.
It's even better than I pictured it.
I think you can tell by the audio, but honestly, this flight around the moon was one of the most impressive experiences we've ever had, and the perfect ending to our trip to Mauritius, a country we absolutely loved for its nature, its paradise-like beaches, and the hospitality of its people. But well, rather than telling you about it, we'll show you. In the first part of the video, we told you about our first days in Mauritius, as well as some useful information for organizing your trip, so I would recommend that you check it out if you haven't seen it yet. If you have any questions, we'll try to help in the comments, and if you need more help on your trip or want us to organize the whole trip for you, we offer a travel consulting service where we create fully personalized trips for couples, friends, families, honeymoons. So if you're interested, you'll find a link in the description where you can tell us about your trip and we can give you more information. But anyway, going back to the video, as we mentioned, we spent the first few days in the north, and now it was time to pack our bags and drive across the whole island to our next hotel in the south. And on the way we were going to stop to see the Chamarel waterfall.
A little bit, yes.
There is a life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling that the feeling is all gone. Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Everything was going fine until we flew the drone and lost connection with it, so we couldn't bring it back. We managed to land it, but we didn't know exactly where, so we spent quite a while looking for it, but it was impossible to find. In the end, we assumed it was lost and we went to the hotel, because honestly we didn't have the energy to go to the waterfall anymore, so we drove to the new hotel.
Stop sign.
Liar! I just think you should be right.
Take it slow, but I ain't afraid. Born, you can change me, you can tell me time. Nothing that goes in every place I fly. Break the molds with rebels.
Born to fly.
and after that we packed our bags and went to a hotel near the airport because our flight in the next morning was pretty early. So that's it. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. In the next videos, we'll show you how our trip to South Africa was. We did a safari there and it was amazing. So we hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!